kunzima kakhulu kwagogo. Sathi phumani nizotsha nendlu, phumani indlu yatsha. Ifana iphumi niyotshela ngaphaka. Satsho kudala kuba ANC ifana nendlu etshayo. Yabona ngoku ihlukile phakathi. Akuvuxa ixabene. Yabo. So oGwede Mantashe no Paul Mashatile neqeqebane elithile lifuna uthatha iMK liyena i-coalition government. Kodwa ama-funders wabo bathi bafuna i-DA ne-ANC i-coalition government. And i-DA meya coalition government ne-ANC uJohnston Hazen uzoba ngu-deputy president, which means u-deputy president wezwe ngoku ongu-Paul Mashatile is going down. Paul Mashatile akayivisisi ke leyo ndaba leyo. I-MK party ithi ingaya coalition government ne-ANC. Uyabo, uRamaphosa must step down, which means uPaul Mashatile uzophakama abe ngupresident. Uyayibona into njalo? Ngoku akwaziwa kubi if by coalition government ne-DA oGwede Mantashe uNkulunkulu wami njengoba bengamasila kangaka bayejele bayayazi lonto asobe bengayifuni i-DA iyo bakhiqiza endleleni liyogcwala ijele iyophelwa ngamandla ense kobe kuphelile ngayo njengoba kuphelile kungoku yayenza leyo coalition government i-DA hayayo kuphelile ngeyenzi malibalani ngento yokhokho nina nisavota lo khokho umbutho wokhokho benu kuyaphela. Uyabona i-ANC ayifuni ukumyeka uRamaphosa noba seyibona ukuthi na uyibulele wayiqeda i-ANC, but they are ready ukuthi ba-sacrifice organization le bantu bayayithanda because of uRamaphosa. They are ready ukuthi baye ku-coalition government ne-DA ngoba bafuna ukuphulukana noRamaphosa. Badle imali wrong akusekho lula. Athi ama-funders if na government na coalition government ne-DA nina irand lizoba namandla, kodwa if nangayi ne-DA lishona phansi liya drop irand. Yabo. So kunzima kubipha kwagogo kubiphaya umadoda kwaphela angaze ngajabula kuyaphela yenzeni kuyaphela.